Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and you're watching Moon 333 and welcome to the brand new update on Bitcoin price actions move. First of all, I would like to give some recap for the people who are not following the Bitcoin price action here on this channel. Uh, that in April 2019, I just posted this chart where I confirmed that the Bitcoin will follow the Gartley pattern based on some certain indications and signals and chart patterns. So after that, the Bitcoin moved as I predicted. Uh, it moved up and down and moved up again. And after completion of the Gartley pattern, this was the other chart I just posted. And here you can see this was a perfect Gartley pattern, and the price action had hit the spike in this potential reversal zone of this Gartley pattern. And our sell target zone was between $10,121 up to $16,360. And so far, the Bitcoin has hit between above $10,121, even up to $10,200 yesterday. And today it has hit almost up to $10,199. Today it has hit as per Bitstamp exchange. So if we see the live position of the price action, first I'm just taking you to this day chart that is still very bullish, strong bullish. First I'm just showing you the price action, the moving averages, how they're moving on the day chart. And here we can see that the 25 moving average has crossed up all other moving averages. These are the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, and this red one is the 100, this green one is the 50, and this black one is 200 moving average. So far, we have seen the golden crosses between 25 and 50, 25 and 100, and 25 and 200 moving averages, and 50 and 100 moving average. And 25 is above all moving averages, and the 50 is moving behind 25 to form a golden cross between to with 200 moving average. And this golden cross is the most favorite golden cross among the traders community. They always seek for this golden cross, especially on the day chart, and they just take the long positions and buy the assets based on this golden cross. Many traders take their long positions based on this golden cross. So this will be the most favorite golden cross which we will see in coming days. And after that, finally, we'll have the golden cross between 100 and 200 moving average. And after that, we will have a complete uh, alligator's open mouth shape here, which can produce a very, very powerful bullish rally like it has already formed in May 2019. Here we can see when a proper and complete alligator's mouth was open here. The 25 moving average was above all, and after that there was the 50 moving average, and after that there was a 100 moving average, and 200 moving average was below all these moving averages. And we can see that Bitcoin, how much the price action was bullish at that time. So at the same position or price action is likely to take the same move again, and the moving averages are likely to form the same alligator's open mouth again, like it has formed in May 2019. So we should we should be ready for next bullish move if this will happen. And if we see on the month chart, then we can see that I've already elaborated in my previous video that we have received 30%, only 30% bullish signals on month chart by the Ichimoku cloud. Because Ichimoku cloud is turned bullish. Here you can see it is turned bullish, but so far the lagging span of Ichimoku cloud did not cross up the candlesticks or price action like it has crossed up here in September 2016. And after that, we have seen that how much the price action was bullish at that time, and it has hit the ever highest ever price in the history of the Bitcoin. That was around $20,000. And so far, we can see that we did not receive also the bull cross between the conversion line and the baseline as well, like we had received here in September 2019. Not in September 2020, yes, in September 2019. Well, we had received the bull cross between the conversion and the baseline as well, and after that we have seen a strong, very very strong bullish move by the Bitcoin price action. So once these two indications or signals will be confirmed, the lagging span will move up and cross up this price action, and we will receive a bull cross between two lines, conversion line and the baseline. So after that, and there will be another signal that the price action should cross up this cloud as well. So after these three signals, the Bitcoin can make a new high, and nobody can have an idea where it will go, maybe to the $50,000, $100,000. We cannot give idea unless we will not receive any more signals or more developments by the Bitcoin price action move. So there are strong chances that we will receive these three more bullish signals on the month chart by the Ichimoku cloud. So be ready for these three more strongest bullish signals by the Ichimoku cloud. If we'll receive those signals, nobody can stop the price action to cross up this resistance level, the final resistance level that is around at $17,000, and can make higher than the previous high. But this is the month chart. It will need some patience because one candlestick represents 1 month, so it can take some time. And let's move back to this is the month chart. This is also a month chart, and we have received some more strong bullish signals on the month chart. Here, this is the MACD moving average convergence divergence, and you can see we have again received a bull cross. This is a live chart, and you can see that we have received a bull cross between the moving averages of the MACD. So MACD is turned strong bullish. So far, the histogram or momentum of the MACD or histogram is not turned strong bullish. This is in dull green color, but once it will be turned in dark green color like this, so it will be a strong, very strong bullish signals. But if we have received a bull cross here, soon it will be turned bullish here as well. And if we see the stochastic on this month chart as per Bitstamp, then we can see that we have again received a bull cross after September 2019. This is another bull cross, and which is a very powerful, strong bullish signal. After that, we can see that the price action can take more powerful bullish divergence because the stochastic is bullish on month chart. And if we see the chops on was bullish, already bullish, but it is turned strong bullish now. This is a very strong bullish signal by the chops on month chart. Now let's move back to the day chart. And on day chart, the Bitcoin has formed an up channel formation. This is the up channel pattern. You can see the Bitcoin is moving up and down, up and down, up and down, and it is making higher than the previous highs and making the higher supports than the previous supports. This is a very good bullish signals because Bitcoin is moving up, taking some price correction and moving up, and after some price correction between 0.382 to 786 Fibonacci, moving up and move down up to 0.786 Fibonacci and move up and move down around up to 0.382 Fibonacci. This is a very healthy move showing the firmness of the bullish move, how much the bullish move is firmed. So this price correction is very healthy for the bullish rally, and you can see that it is moving very smoothly in this channel. So for the people who are entered in the trade here, they can also use this channel for their exit position. Like they can use this support as their stop loss when the candlestick will be crossed. down or close down below this support, then they can take exit from the trade if they would like to take the exit from the trade, and they have bought the price action or the Bitcoin here as per this chart. And moving to the next chart, in previous video, in previous articles, I've already elaborated that the price action has formed a very soft and round shape, which can lead to the formation of cup and handle pattern. And at that time, up to 7th Feb, it was hitting at the resistance of the cup that was $9,819.92. And now if we see on the live chart, then we have hit up to 10,000 $199. That is above that resistance. Up till yesterday, the candle was not decision maker candle because the candle was not completely cross up this resistance of the cup and the resistance of the price action as well. And at this time, we can see the next candle, today's candle, is opened above this resistance level. But this is also a decision maker candle, because once this candle will be closed above this resistance, then it can confirm us that there are now the chances for the pullback, which will lead the formation, the starting of the formation of the handle of this cup, and the chances of that pullback will be decreased because once this resistance will be broken out by this price action, by this candlestick, and if this candlestick will be closed above this. So far, it is not closed above this resistance level. It's just started. Today, we will have a decision by this candle that whether it will be closed above this resistance level or not. Once it will be closed above this resistance level, then that will be the first confirmation that the price action has broken out this resistance level, and after that the price action can move between this channel because our next resistance level is here at $10,940, where it has shown the resistance in August 2019, and the price action could not break out this resistance in August 2019, and at that time it has also formed a channel between these two resistance levels. So again, it can move in a parallel channel and form a parallel channel here between these two resistance levels, or it can try to break out the next resistance level at $10,940 and move to the next resistance level at $12,061.10. That is our third resistance level from here. So once this candlestick will be closed above this resistance level, then we can have an idea whether the price action can take a pullback from here or not. But so far, this cup and handle pattern is in the play, and we can have the pullback for the formation of cup unless we don't have these candlesticks close above this resistance level. So these were the developments so far I have received by the price action of the Bitcoin. I will definitely keep you updated about the more developments in the Bitcoin's price action move. If you do like the video, then do hit the like, and if you didn't subscribe to the channel so far, then do subscribe it for more beneficial and profitable trading ideas and educational videos. Till then, goodbye.